Hello everyone, in this tutorial, we will be looking at how to make a website with PageCloud. PageCloud provides us the opportunity to choose their templates and then customize them. So basically, it is pretty easy. Let's get started. You need to visit our website, pagecloud.com. And here we are. We can find some information about the features, templates, pricing, and blog. Of course, in order to create an account, we need to click on Create a Website, and after that, we will come to this page where we need to register using our name, email address, and password. I already have an account, so I'm going to click on Sign In right up here. And in a few seconds, we will come to our homepage. In the top right corner, we have the opportunity to manage our account where we can find the profile settings, billing, referrals, and privacy center. Also with the option to sign out. On the only one page here, we can find all of our websites, like we can switch into different folders, e-commerce, drops, publish, and so on. So let's create a new website. To do this, we need to click on Create New Site in the right top corner here. So what are you creating? We need to choose the category we are creating our website for. So we can click on e-commerce site and click on Continue. After that, we will come to this page where we can find a lot of different templates we can use for our shop or blog and some other websites we are going to create. So let's try to find something interesting for us. I think this one is pretty cool. So we can preview the website to see how it looks as a website. This one looks pretty good. So let's click on Select and we will come to the page of managing. We need to change the name. Yeah, continue. And basically in a few seconds, our website will be successfully created. Sometimes it could be something went wrong, so we need to wait for a little. So let's click on Edit to go to the Edit page. And now, it looks like this. At the top of the screen, we have the option with Dashboard, Pages, E-commerce, Blog, Inbox, Team Shares, and Settings, where we can manage all the pages. We will go to Pages. Here we can find the dashboard with all the information, all the updates, and so on. And of course, we can just simply go to this site here. Click on Edit once more and add some pages. You just simply click on Home and go to the editing page where we can customize every single part. Basically, this is our editor. On the left side, we have the menu where we can change the site design, switch between pages, sections, library, add some shapes, images, text, videos, buttons, forms, icons, components, apps, and so on. In the double screen, we have the option to switch between our pages. As I already said, as you can see, also we can switch between different devices to view how it looks like on mobile, for example. Only this part is for mobile. Also, we can undo or redo all our actions in the right top corner. Or we can click on Save. And after that, the website will be successfully saved. So in order to customize, you can just simply click on some elements here. And as you can see, they have the option to duplicate, delete, or change the position. We can change what is inside. So let us change the text to Angela. Let it be like this. We can change the format, make it like heading 1, and so on. Change the size, change the font, so we can change all the properties that are important for us. Let it be like this, maybe. And as you can see, every single block here is available. Also, the website is divided into different sections. As you can see, and we have the option to change the position. For example, this is the first section here, this is the second, the third, and so on. We can change the order of this section. So, we can place them like this or here. We can change the position to change the order. It is pretty important sometimes. Also, we can duplicate it if we need to create two similar sections we are going to use. For example, we can add some information here and also add some information here. So basically, we can also change the background, make it with an image, gradient, or color. There are a lot of things we can change. Padding, borders, background, and so on. Also, we can add some animation. For example, we can view, it looks like this. As you can see, I will go to Advanced Settings, add some CSS selectors, data attributes, script editor, and so on. So they provide us a huge amount of different features we can use to make our website look much better. Let's try to add something. For example, let's try to add an image, for example, right up here, and I'd like to add it to this section. So let it be like right up here. So we can change the animation. Let it be like this, maybe. So yeah, let's also add some text. For example, we need to add some informational text. Let it be here. In the future, I will customize it and it will look much better. But as an example, it is pretty cool. So let's also add some icons. Maybe let's add the icon of an aircraft or something like this. So it is pretty easy for me to just drag and drop and use it. We can add some videos if you need, like some landscapes or something like this. So as you can see, it is pretty easy. In order to publish, we need to click on Save, and then we can go to Dashboards to discover all of our websites. Go back to your site, and as you can see, now it looks like this. We can visit it by simply clicking on this link near the other website. So now it looks like this. You need to click on Publish in the right top corner here. And as you can see, your email address needs to be verified before you can publish your website. Please check your email, including your spam folder for the verification method. So we need to verify our email, as you can see. And after that, we will be able to publish our website successfully. It is available for free with their subdomain. As you can see, and they also provide us a lot of stuff with paid versions if you want to. To find the plans, you can do it simply on PageCloud's main website. So let it be like this, and we will come to pricing. As you can see, there are 3 plans: Small Business, Business, and Pro. So you can try it for free, and after that, decide what you would like to use. The most popular is, of course, the business plan at $36 per month, or we can simply use the small business plan. It depends on your choice. So basically, this is the way of how we can deal with PageCloud.com. And that is all there is on how to make a website with PageCloud. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in our next video. Bye for now.